Today we're unboxing the Inseego Wavemaker Pro FX2000e. As soon as you open the box, you'll see a folder on the inside of the top. This contains the QR code for the quick start guide, warranty information, as well as the SIM card/reset tool, which is this small black piece here. In this inner box, we have the power supply. This is a 12-volt, 2-amp supply with a simple barrel-type connector. Onto the device itself. You can see it's quite compact in size. The back is where all our connections are on the device, including the LAN port. If we lift up this sticker here, we can see the SIM card slots, of which there are 2. Both are nano size. To either side, we have the TS9 antenna connections. The main ports or port number 1 is shown here. Port side 2 looks exactly the same. Here's a closer look at the back with the USB port and both antenna ports shown as well. Turning the device upside down, we can see all the device and hardware details. This includes default passwords as well as the model, serial, and IMEI numbers. Lastly, we have a Cat6 Ethernet cable, in case we need to hardwire any LAN connections. Now that we've had a look at what's inside, we're going to power the device on and see how it works. Subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more.